I remember the first time I drove through these canyons. It was a scene much like this. A fury of emotion overcame me. How, I asked, could the high plains, which is known for being so flat, have so much geographic beauty? Carved over hundreds of thousands of years, nature has created a majestic masterpiece, using this landscape as its canvas. This truly is God's country. It's that feeling that occurs when you visit a place of historical significance. You take a deep breath, look around, and you try to put yourself in the shoes of those that walked these hallowed grounds before us. You can feel the souls of lives that have long passed. It offers a sense of reflection and contemplation. Most often, these sites have witnessed horrific travesties occur upon them. However, all of these places exist within and are surrounded by natural beauty. Beecher Island